What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to put an upgraded fill pump inside your fill pump assembly. The video I showed you guys of the water pump, crank sensor, thermostat. So it's his car. So he's doing a lot of upgrades. So he's doing the fill pump, the JMF intake manifold with the port, the fill rail. So he's doing 8th port, and I'm doing all that Saturday. Make a video on that, but he dropped off his fill pump. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take it apart and put the upgraded one in. So guys, enjoy the video and just get to it. So this is what you guys fill pump assembly looks like inside you guys mazdaspeed. This is what it looks like right here. He bought a new one because I think the one he got in it's not showing his gas. Well, I told him it could be mainly because of this. It could be this because it's kind of rare for the gauge to go out. So I told him it could be this, but he just bought a new one with the new fill pump. The fill pump he got is let's see if it shows. It doesn't show, but I know it's like 300 and something, and E85 safe. You guys know this company a lot. You guys know I think I bought something off this website before, but I don't remember. But my fill pump is from AEM. So, but this is the fill pump right here. It comes with a new filter. So it comes with this too. You can use this if you want, but I think it's just direct plug and play. This is optional if you want to use this. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So first thing you want to do is, unplug this and you push down. There's like a clip right here. You just use some pliers to take that off, and then once you take that off, the whole thing comes out, and then you can pull out the main unit right here. The fill pump is inside here. So I'm going to do that and get back to you guys. So I have it off. This is a fill pump. The fill pump is in here. So there's 2 or 3 clips. So there's one right here, and where's the other one? 3. I think it's somewhere around here. I can't tell when whipped out because it's this one right here. You take this off. This is the 3rd clip. Take it off. Here, then it pops up. And this is a clip on this that goes right here. It slides out, and then the whole pump comes out. And again, remember I told you guys, you take that clip off, the spring from here, and you can slide it all out. So this is what it is next. This is what you do next is just use a clip right here, and right here. Take that off, and then once you take that off, fill pump can slide out, and then you just swap over this one. So I can do that, and I get back to you guys. And there you go. It's a stock fill pump. So again, let me zoom in. So there's a clip right here from this one. Take this one out, this one, and the 3 around it. Once you get that off, you just put your finger right here, push down, and your stock fill pump will come out. So next step, you just get your upgraded one, which is right here. There you go. So this one he got 300C, 340, 40 PSI. So that's what he got. So you can see it's kind of like stock size. So you just put it straight up to the other one. So I will show you that and get back to you guys. Already have it apart. I'm already about to put this in there. So this is a new filter that comes with the new fill pump you got, and this is a stock one. So you had a stock fill pump in there already too. They give you a new pump. So that goes to that. This one is going to go ahead and use and put it on your new fill pump. You have this, But it's just optional. You don't have to put this in because everything's plug and play. Just use stock stuff. But yeah, I'll show you once everything back in. So get your pump. Set it like this. You line it up like that, and you just push. And there's a bushing that, you know, your little rubber, little grommets. You just put those on this like this. Put it on here because this won't fit on it because like has like little ribs on it. I'll show you. See, so I have the ribs, so you just put them on there, and you just push it, and it will clamp on and goes in spot. Then you get your filter and put it back onto the little parts where you clamp it back on. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll get back to you guys. So okay, I have my tripod. So see, it's secured, it's in there. So just get your filter and you just set it like this. So you see how the clamps match, and you just clip it down. I'm trying to see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, probably ain't gonna work with one hand. So I'm just like use two-handed, clamp it down with one hand on this one, the other one's on there. And I'll get back to you guys. And then there you go. It's like stock. Upgraded fill pump. Fits everything. It fits like it was stock. So now you just the spring one goes on this part where you see the circle part. That spring goes on this side. The other one goes on this side. So you just put the top part back, plug everything in, and you put the spring in. Don't forget your little clip right here, and then you're done. So I'm gonna do all that, and I'll get back to you guys. And there you go, guys. Back together. The new fill pump is in there. Everything's back to where it is. I have the little, see, I have the clip back in there. Everything's brand new. The new fill pump, the upgraded fill pump. And that fill pump is E85 safe too. It's for E85 too. So if you want to go E85, that's what he's doing. He's gonna go E85. So it's E85 safe, and it's a bigger pump. See all the holes, all the wiring connectors. It's plug and play. This is just for if you want to do what do you use this for? I forgot what it's like. If it doesn't fit, where you have to like, you know, solder and do your own thing, but you don't have to do this. If it already plugs in there, you're good to go. There you go. That's it. So on Saturday, I'm going to work on this car again. I'm gonna show you guys me taking the fill pump out. So what most people do, most people know that Mazda, they didn't make where you can pull the fill pump out from the top by the seat. I mean, you can take the seat off and you can see the pump, it's a circle, but it's not big enough to pull up. They want you to drop the tank. But what most people do, they just cut the metal, bend it over enough where you can pull out the pump, you can change it in and out like that. So that's why I already did that on this car like 2 weeks ago. So it's already cut and everything. I just bend it back to where it is. You don't smell no gas or anything. So if you guys wonder about that, you don't smell no gas or anything. It's still sealed up and everything. So when I get to that point on Saturday, I will show you guys what I did and how easy to take it out. Because who wants to just drop the tank? Like, nobody got time for that. But yeah, that's how you guys replace your, well, if you want to upgrade your pump, that's how you take the pump out and switch it over to a new one. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like the video, let me know what you guys think at the bottom of the video. Yeah, just be safe doing this. But yeah, it's simple. That's all you have to do. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.